Angle x and angle y are acute angles and sin x equals to cosine y. The measures in degrees of angle x and angle y are 15, negative 2a and 3b positive 26 respectively. If b is 3 more than 2 times of a, then what is the value of a? Okay, we have the information angle x and angle y are acute angles and sin x equals to cosine y. Whenever the two trigonometric ratios of sine and cosine are equal, then the angle measure we have for sine, the angle measure we have for cosine must be complementary according to one of the co-function identities in trigonometry. That is, the measure of angle x and the measure of angle y must add up to 90 degrees. Let me write it. That is, measure of angle x positive, measure of angle y equals to 90 degrees. Here we have the measure of angle x, that is 15, negative 2a. We can plug in this one now for measure of angle x over here. Then we have 15, negative 2a. And this is a measure of angle y. We can plug in this one for measure of angle y over here. We get 3b positive 26 equals to 19. Okay, negative 2a positive 3b. When I combine this positive 15 and positive 26, I am getting positive 41 equals to 90. Let me subtract 41 from both sides of this equation. Then this positive 41, negative 41 will cancel out. I am getting negative 2a positive 3b equals to. So when I simplify this one, I am getting 49. My aim is to get the value of a. In this equation, there are two unknowns. One is a and the other one is b. To get the value of a, I must know the value of b. For that, let's consider the information we have over here. That is, b is 3 more than 2 times of a. That is 2a positive 3. Now I got the stuff that is equal to b. We can plug in this 2a positive 3 for b over here. Okay, let me do it. When I do so, I am getting negative 2a positive 3 times 2a positive 3 equals to 49. Negative 2a. Now we can distribute this 3 to this 2a and positive 3. Then we get positive 6a positive 9 equals to 49. Okay, when I combine these two terms, I am getting 4a. That is 4a positive 9 equals to 49. Now let me subtract 9 from both sides of this equation. Positive 9, negative 9 will cancel out. I am getting 4a on the left side. On the right side, when I simplify this one, I am getting 40. Okay, now let me take the same equation over here. That is 4a equals to 40. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 4. This 4 will cancel out. I am getting a on the left side. On the right side, when I divide 40 by 4, I am getting 10. Here I got the value of a, that is 10.